Imagine stepping into an elevator, the doors close, and suddenly you wonder, what if the cable snaps? It's one of the most common fears people have. Movies make it look terrifying, an elevator plunging straight down in seconds. But here's the surprising truth. Modern elevators are designed so they don't fall, even if the main cable breaks. And once you understand how they actually work, that fear almost completely disappears. Before we dive in, if you enjoy learning how everyday things secretly work, don't forget to like this video, share it with a curious friend, comment your biggest elevator fear, and subscribe to Micro Explainer for more quick, mind-blowing explanations. Now let's break this down step by step. First, the biggest myth. An elevator is not held up by a single cable. In reality, most elevators are supported by multiple steel cables, usually between 4 and 8, sometimes even more. Each cable alone is strong enough to carry the full weight of the elevator car. So even if one cable somehow failed, which is extremely rare, the others would still hold the elevator safely in place. Second, elevators have something called a counterweight. This is a massive weight that balances the elevator car. When the elevator goes up, the counterweight goes down, and vice versa. Because of this balance, the motor doesn't need to hold the elevator. It only needs to overcome small differences in weight. This makes sudden free fall practically impossible. But here's the most important safety feature most people don't know about: the elevator braking system. Every elevator has a device often called a safety brake or governor system. If the elevator starts moving too fast, faster than it's supposed to, the system instantly detects it. When that happens, powerful metal brakes clamp onto the steel rails on the sides of the elevator shaft. These rails run the entire height of the building, and the brakes bite into them with incredible force, stopping the elevator within a very short distance. This system doesn't need electricity to work, so even during a power failure, the brakes still engage automatically. That's why elevators don't suddenly drop during blackouts. They simply stop and wait safely. Another smart design feature is the buffer system at the bottom of the shaft. Even in the extremely unrealistic scenario where everything else failed, hydraulic or spring-loaded buffers at the bottom act like giant shock absorbers. They're designed to reduce impact and protect passengers. Because of all these layers, multiple cables, counterweights, automatic brakes, speed sensors, and buffers, elevators are actually one of the safest forms of transportation in the world. Statistically, you're far safer in an elevator than in a car, on a motorcycle, or even walking downstairs. So the next time you step into an elevator and feel that tiny wave of fear, remember this: you're inside a machine that was engineered with backup after backup after backup, all designed to protect you even in worst-case scenarios. If this explanation helped you feel safer or taught you something new, please like the video. Comment "elevator" so I know you watched till the end. Share it with someone who's scared of elevators, and subscribe to Micro Explainer for more simple explanations of complex things. Because the world is full of hidden engineering miracles, and once you understand them, everyday life becomes a lot less scary.